Hello everyone, so this is a random credit card I actually applied. Doesn't really fall into my usual line of strategy. If you guys are interested in what my strategy was at 2 years, I made a whole video on that, check it out. But this particular card, the TD Cash credit card by TD Bank, it was something I got mainly to just get a quick sign up bonus. And it's pretty easy to get because it's $150 after $500 is spent within the first 90 days. Which I know I can easily hit by paying my month's rent. And if you guys are interested in how I do so, check out my video I did on the website Plastic. But anyways, back to this card. It's not a super noticeable card. It does has a decent cashback rate at 3% on dining, so restaurants including takeout, and then you have 2% on grocery stores, which is very unimpressive, and 1% back on everything else. I'll be doing a separate review video obviously after I've had a chance to use this card to give you further thoughts of actually being a user of this particular credit card. But on paper, it's not all that impressive because there's definitely 3% dining cards out there at no annual fees as well, such as the Chase Freedom Unlimited and Freedom Flex, both of which I have also owned and done videos about. Check them out if you are interested. So this is what I got in the mail. 1 week later, after I was instantly approved online, which only took a few minutes to go through their application process, I would say it's a fairly easy card to get approved for. Minimum 2 years of credit history, at least a 650 or above, and credit scores, no delinquencies, all that. For me, it took a hit on my Experian credit bureau, so that's just something to keep in mind. So expect this plain looking envelope coming from Columbia, South Carolina. And I'll go ahead and whip out my letter opener here from Chase. So it's probably the sparsest unboxing for a credit card I've ever had, but you get 2 pieces of paper, one of which in fine print is their card member agreement, so make sure you read over that carefully if this is the first time you are getting this card. You also should be able to get the latest version online or by request. Moving on to the other piece of paper, which does have the card stuck to it, but let's take a look at the back first. These are the specific rates I was approved for, so you can see my rates are pretty low because I do have a pretty high credit score. Yours, of course, will vary, but you can see it has no annual fee, but it does have transactional fees, it has penalty fees for late payments and all that. The typical stuff you would find in a typical credit card. But on the flip side, we can see there's the card. Of course, my information is covered because this is the real card that I have gotten. But don't worry, I'll be showing the actual card design a little bit later. But first of all, taking a look at what comes on this piece of paper. Well, it just goes over, how to activate the card. And once again, the cashback rates, which don't have any kind of spending cap. 3% on dining, 2% on grocery stores, excluding, of course, Target and Walmart and that kind of thing. 1% back on everything else. Alright, let's get to the start of the show, the card itself. So taking it off the piece of paper, you can see this is what the card looks like. And it still has that ugly activation sticker that every card issuer puts on there for whatever reason. But peeling that off straight away, we can see a little bit more of the design. I think it's pretty snazzy for a smaller bank. You see cash kind of in a different glossy imprint. And then some other random textures at the bottom, resembling vegetation, but actually isn't. But you can see that it is on the Visa network, and it does come with a chip as well as wireless tap to pay right in the card, which is very up to date. And then a quick look at the back, it does still have the bar strip. But I'll conclude the unboxing part. Definitely stay tuned to my channel for the full review.